Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a extremely clean piece. This is a 2019 John Deere 1025R. Compact tractor, loader, belly mower. This tractor has, and I can't remember, 228 hours, one owner tractor. It does have a lot of accessory stuff on it, and I have some stuff for sale separately. We do have a brand new John Deere Power Angle snow blade for this that will be sold separately. Front frame mount. He never used it. It does have the blade group on, or mower deck quick hitch on it so that you can hook onto the deck, roll the deck up with your loader and wash it out and service your deck underneath. Does have on top here a roof that is removable, a sunshade, which is really nice. Folding roll bar. Tractor does have four-wheel drive turf tires. Front loader bucket. It has a 120R front quick attach loader. Tractor was bought new July 12th of 2019. Does have emissions warranty until July 12th, 2024, and has powertrain warranty until July 10th, 2025, as per our John Deere dealer here at home when they run the serial number for us. I do have the books and stuff for this tractor. I do have for sale separately a Speedco fast hitch and a factory John Deere weight box. We're going to start you here right underneath the hood of this tractor, and we're going to take you completely around this tractor. We're going to open up the hood here. Under the hood is going to be powered by a John Deere 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that concern. We did go over to our local John Deere dealer. We picked up a complete service kit for this, including all oil and filters, so that it was changed and taken care of. I like to do that with everything we sell, so we don't have to worry about it. But every single filter and oil has been changed. Up front, bucket's in like new condition. You can see that it is original paint. Stuff like this, we like to have this stuff because it's hard to get. Nice clean stuff sells itself, and you can see that. Tractor is in immaculate condition. 120R quick attach front loader, turf tire package in the rear. I think they're 285/60/12, and then up front we do have a 215/50/10. Coming here to the back, you're going to have category 1 3-point hitch with the factory John Deere top link, which is right here. PTO, 540 PTO. Turn signals. It does have the little toolbox right here. Nice little clean toolbox with it. Auxiliary lights. Again, it does have the John Deere hookup that they have put on the deck. This is going to be a John Deere 60D Auto Connect deck. It is in very nice condition. All caster wheels and everything are very nice. High-low range. Right here, you're going to have your mower deck height adjustment knob. Your selection of PTO is right here. Fuel. Does have the very nice John Deere seat with the armrest package. Does have a spin knob on the wheel. It is a tilt wheel on this tractor. I'll stick the key back in here. You're going to see right there 228 hours on this tractor. I will go ahead, fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. So again, one owner tractor, 228 hours. It's a very clean little tractor. So if you need forks, we do carry the CID Extreme pallet forks for these tractors, and we keep that stuff here in stock. We're going to go ahead and back up, four-wheel drive out, four-wheel drive back in, four-wheel drive out. Turn signals 4 ways, all work. Does have a level gauge there with the bucket. That's low range we're in right now. Switch to high range, and I'll turn the 4 ways on. These lights up front here work. So you can select those lights for 4 ways. tell this guy was very particular about the tractor. It is a very, very clean tractor. I'm putting the bucket in float. Getting the grade lift. Back to higher range. I'll show you here a 3-point hitch, mower deck. Everything works the way it's supposed to there. You can set the mower deck to the height you want it to be. We're going to go ahead and kick the rear PTO in. Sorry, that's the mid PTO. I'll shut that out. I'm going to go ahead and take you to the rear PTO. Running, Matt? Yep. We'll shut that back out. And we'll go back to the mower deck. Very, very nice little tractor. It's amazing the work you can do with these little compacts. It's a very comfortable tractor. Nice seat. Joystick here on this side, which is really nice. Very, very nice little tractor. 4 ways all work, turn signal, or I'm sorry, just 4 ways. And then you do have turn signals on this tractor. Cruise control, park brake. Again, very, very nice, very clean tractor. 2019 John Deere 1025R. Still has emissions and powertrain warranty under this tractor. What they call limited basic warranty from John Deere. It's 120R, quick attach front loader, 60D auto connect deck with the adapter on the deck so you can hook onto the deck, raise it up. You probably will not find a cleaner 1025R in a 2019 with 228 hours on it. Extremely, extremely clean tractor. Very, very pleased to own this tractor. Again, it's a little hard to find good clean stuff right now. People are hanging on to their stuff, and I understand why, but here's an opportunity to buy something that's very, very nice and ready to go to work. 814-658-3066. Please check it out, MarkSupplyCompany.com. We'll have a lot of photos of all the other different stuff we have available for sale if we can help you. Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.